All right, here we go. Allen personal box of Flawless. This is the final box. The guys in the room picked box number 1 for the random team group break, so that is on the shelf, and that will be the last group break. And then the other box we have that was loose from the original case before this one is the $5 mega we did. All right, here we go. Gotta love Flawless. Alright. This one's, man. This is funny because Alan, dude, you probably are gonna. This dude is following you. No joke. I mean, following you everywhere in Flawless. You might be able to guess who it is. Oh, I didn't think about that. Well, no, you've only had one Ruth, so he can't be following you if there's only been one, right? All right, Kyle Waldrop, 9 of 20. Rookie patch auto. 9 of 20. Here, let me. Okay. Next. Oh, that's so filthy looking. Old Brooksy. Brooks Robinson /5. Hall of Fame auto. What's up, Ben? Brooks Robinson /5. Next, another 1 /5. Dave Winfield. 3 of 5. So pretty. Next. Dang! Every case. Frank Thomas. 1 of 15. Big hurt, man. Well, you're off to a good start. These autos are beautiful. Yeah, that's the personal, man. Next, jeesh, 4 of 20. Corey Seager and Jose Peraza. 4 of 20. So I guess Seager is following you a little bit now. Next goes, I think this way. Look at that thing. /15. Kang, or Gang, I think is how someone says you say it. Dual patch /15. Weird camo. Couple colors on the patches. Oh boy. You got back-to-back vintage. Boom! Sam Rice, 5 of 5 with a pinstripe. Right on the edge with a pinstripe. Sam Rice, 5 of 5. Vintage. And I think this one goes this way. Oh, baby, that's beautiful. Rogers Hornsby, numbered to 25. Bat, jersey. That is sick. Oof. Hornsby. All right. First up. Well, this is a pretty good one here. Byung-Ho Park, numbered to 20. Rookie Flawless Diamond. It's always nice to get the rookie ones. Next, 13 of 20. Jimmy Fox Diamond. And Alan, I think this is your 3rd hard sign, and well, this one comes with some memorabilia too. Numbered 4 of 5. Look at this beauty. Nolan Ryan. What a beaut. Emerald dual patch auto. You got 3 colors on that side. Gorgeous Nolan Ryan. Man. And this is, the other 2 were Texas. This is a Houston. This is a Houston one. Beautiful.